We're now looking at the rack and the catch of this unit. The catch at the top here can be adjusted in height depending on the type of drum and the height of drum you need to handle. To adjust the height, we pull out this securing pin, we hold the bottom of the catch with one hand and the top of the catch with another hand. We then unhook it from our slots, move it down to the desired position, and we've got lots of positions you can pick from, and hook it back in. The catch will stay in position, but we fit our pin just to lock it in place. We're now ready for a drum of a shorter height. Our top hook here is also adjustable depending on the lip design of your drum. So a steel drum, this setting would be perfect, but if you have a plastic drum with a large lip like a Mauser drum, we can adjust this hook and move it forward. To do this we have another pin at the back, so we hold our top hook with one hand and we remove the pin. The whole top hook comes away and then we can reposition it in a position that suits our drum type. So I'm going to put it in this forward position and refit our locking pin. This top hook now is further forward, and if you check in the operation manual, there's advice on the different settings and recommendations for different drum types. At the bottom here we have a kick plate. This kick plate is used for steel 200 litre drums for keeping the drum more vertical. If we're handling plastic drums, we can fold this up out of the way because it's not needed.